Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nilu and I share tutorials and tips for web developers. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, there is something here for everyone to learn. Let's code, learn and grow together. Today I want to make a shopping cart. This is the shopping cart that we are going to make. It contains the title of the item, the image of the item, number of the item, and also we can add or decrease, and also by adding or decreasing we can change the total of the price that we have in our shopping cart. So let's get started. Here I want to make a shopping cart component, shopping cart.js, and in the shopping cart I'm going to add my component, which is a function, and it returns a div, so it's a shopping cart. Let's add my shopping cart. Also I need to export it, so export default shopping cart. In here I'm going to add my shopping cart. Okay, here I'm going to add what do we need? I need a header, which is, its name is shopping cart, for example, and I need what else do I need? I need a list, so let's add a list in here. I need an unordered list, and in here I'm going to add my items, which is my cart item. So I'm going to make a state in here, contains cart items, and set cart items, which is use state, and I add my initial states in here. So it contains of ID, which is 1 for now, name, which is item 1, and price, which is 10, and quantity, which is 1, and image. I use a website, which is, its name is via placeholder, and I add a 100 to 200 pixel image. So this is the placeholder that I'm going to use. And I have another item which is same as this one, but ID is 2 and item is 2, price is 15, and that's it. Okay, now I want to go through these cart items and add them to the list so we can have them. Let's add it to the list, cart items dot map, and I go through the map. So here I want to have my key, which is item that, sorry, I need this item to be here, and return this item that ID, and in here I have my image, which is src item that src item dot image. What else we have? We have another div in here, and in this div I have two span, one for my item that's name, one for item dot price. Item dot price multiply item dot quantity. Okay, now we have everything that we need. And what else we need? We need two other buttons. So we have style in here, we have div, and we have two buttons in here. First one is for which is plus, and another one which is minus. And what else we have? Nothing. No, we have at the end of these items I need to have an h2 tag, and in here I need to have total is equal to something. Okay, now we set everything that we need, and let's add the functionality. I need to, by clicking on the plus button, I need to add the quantity, so also change the total number. So in here I have my click, and in here I need to pass the item, so I need to pass the item, and the name is handle increase or increment, and item dot id. In here I'm going to add the function, so it is handle increment, which is equal to I have my item ID, which is for example 1 for the first one, and I need to update the cart items according to this and set my cart item. So I'm going to have my updated items, which is equal to cart items that's map, and I need to map to it and add the quantity of that specific item. So I'm going to map to it, and I check if the item dot id is equal to item id. So if it is equal to this, so I'm going to add my quantity. So it is quantity, and it's going to be item dot quantity plus 1, otherwise item. So we have this, and after that, when we add this, I'm going to set my cart items to the updated items. So if I click on plus, we can see that it's changed, just this item changed, and for this item changed. So I have another one for the decrement. Going to copy and paste, change it to minus, and its name is decrement. So handle decrement. By decreasing, I have my decrement, but I don't need to have minus in my item, so I need to add another condition in here, which is if item that quantity is more than 0, just do this. Otherwise, just let's check it again. So if it is minus, also I need to have one of these items, so I have to change 0 to 1 to just not have this 0 quantity. So I think it's all done by now. And what else we need? We need to handle the total price. So let's see what's going on with the total price. The total price is a function which needs to run every time that we render the items. So it is going to be something like price, for example, get total price. Okay, and in here I'm going to have my total price, so it's going to be const get total price is equal to, okay, in here I want to return the sum. For this purpose, one of the built-in JavaScript function is very useful for summing things. So I have to go through the cart item and sum. I use reduce for sum. So the first one is the total, which is the sum, and the second one is the item. It goes through the items and adds the items price to the total. So we have total plus item dot price multiply by item dot quantity and add it to the total, and the initial of total is 0. So we can now see that if I add the total change. Okay, now let's add some style to the shopping cart. For this purpose, I'm going to add an inline style. So it's going to be a styles, and it's going to be container, for example. For having the container of add the container to here, we have class name as we have style as styles dot container. Okay, for the container, what do we have? We have these things which I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, we have margin, padding, background color, and these things. Also, another thing is the header one. For this, I'm going to have my header, which is going to be year style is equal to styles that header, and the header style is here. Okay, for the header we have text align center, margin button, and the color. Okay, what else we have? For the list, I have a style of the list, so it is going to be a styles dot list, And what is the style of the list? Okay. For the style of the list, I have just list style type to none and the padding. So it's going to okay, nothing happened. List style type is going to be 0, going to be none, but it doesn't change. Okay, let's continue. List item. We have a style for list item. For the list item, what's the style of the list item? I have my list item. Let's just grab all the styles, so it just needs some time. Okay, and in here I have my list item. I have style of styles, that image. I have what else we have? I have a style of item name, and I have a style of price. Also, I have a $sign in here. I have a style of price, item price. What else I have? I have a style of item details. Okay, but why it doesn't change? Container styles change, but okay, just needs a refresh. Okay, what else we have? We have styles of the button, so it's going to be here, and style of the total. So that's all that we need to have. So by minus and add this and this. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe for supporting me. Thank you so much. Bye.